Apple School hold Run for Unity on 3rd November 2023 to mark Sardar Patel birth anniversary. Grade 7 to grade 9 students had taken part in the Unity rally along with the staff. The run started from the school and proceeded with Gandhi Bhavan, BM Road, Chennapatna towards Balu Hospital, JC Road and terminates at DT Ramu Circle, the Apple Montessori, and finally reached school. The students understood Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's role and his contribution to national integration. In the school assembly, pledge was taken. At the same time, speech about Sardar Patel too held. Patel played the key role in the integration of the princely states into the Indian Federation. This achievement formed the cornerstone of Patel's popularity in the post-independent era. Even today, he is remembered as the man who united India. He is popularly called Iron Man of India. Unity is strength when there is teamwork and collaboration. Through that, wonderful thing can be achieved. The Unity run completed in a smooth and amicable way. Thank you, the Apple team.